How to change your country on Spotify mobile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your country on Spotify mobile. Firstly, open the web browser on your mobile. Here, go to Spotify. Now tap on Settings from the top right. After this, scroll down and tap on Support. Now you have to click on Account Help. Then select your country or region selection. After this, go to Account Overview. Here, you can see your country. Tap on Edit Profile. From the page that opens, change your country or region. Confirm your selection. Once you are done with this, go to Web Browser. Then search for NordVPN. Here, go to its web page. Doing so, you can change your country on Spotify mobile. Alternatively, one of the best ways to change your location on your phone or computer is to use a good VPN. They are reliable and will make any website, app, or person think you're in a different location. We highly recommend NordVPN. We have left a link in the video description if you would like to check them out. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.